This is Felly Bakani, aka Felly King. I've been doing hip hop for some time, but I've never really done anything major. But one thing that I know is that I've got the talent, I've got the skill, and I've got everything that it takes to be out there. I want to go to Hollywood. I want to represent this country out there. As far as I'm concerned, Botswana has been doing this, has won a Grammy over the past years, and I want to be the first Botswana to do that. And I think I have what it takes to do that. I come from Masunga. I'm 24 years old, and I'm very passionate about music. I'm very versatile. I normally say I'm an entertainer, so anything you do, you put me through, I'ma do it. Vote for me. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. I'm moving right in with an intro, smoking his punchlines like I'm in Jamaica. I got the pure and nasty like a water. Everybody call me Mr. Veteran Rapper, don't get me twisted. I'm a son of the most high. I make crowds move like I'm DIS invasion. Now I see everybody going like who out there. Urban looking man, you like who that be. I'm Mephi and I'm King IG. Standing popping and hamming and I got MGs. Man that listen, that lama shot last name specs off. Kick bad like a Romanov. The tag bar warning. Whoop. Yes sir, I'm burning. I'm a gemstone shining like a diamond. I'm bowling. This is a coup. The tag bar warning. Whoop. Yes sir, I'm burning. I'm a gemstone shining like a diamond. I'm bowling. I'm like 1987, the singer was born. I had my first verse when I was 8 years old. 10 years later, I was preaching his word in the highways, byways, and dangerous ways. I'm like military man. I'm the Amadarian. Yes, I fight like a bull in the breed. Everybody call me Mr. Vidico Better. Spitting serious verses in my Tyler. Black Sage, I keep it dolly for the grind. And I pack my venomous whips and I whoop this nigga like a fillet's but liquor. Living landmarks that I had to ignore, had to impress and had to tattoo. You then be a snitch like a stupid D-boy. Every time I come, salute the king is here. Yeah, coop, the chat by the warning. Whoop, yes sir, I'm burning. I'm a gemstone shining like a diamond. I'm bowling. This ain't a coop, the chat by the warning. Whoop. Yes sir, I'm burning. I'm a gemstone shining like a diamond. I'm bowling. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. We keep it real, yeah.